Hey, what's going on, guys? Before we get this video started, if you're not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. And if you find this video useful, smash that thumbs up button. I'm going to show you, you got a Cadet 4-stroke that needs the air filter, the air filter with the air filter housing and the throttle, the choke switch and everything else. It's all gummed up in there and cleaned. I'll show you how to replace it. First thing you got to do is remove these two screws that are a T27 Torx bit. We've got a Milwaukee nut driver here. We're going to remove these two screws. Like I said, there's two of them. One right here. And then another one right there. Once you get those off and removed, just make sure they're unscrewed all the way. One second. There we go. They're long. Slide them right up off there. And then we're going to install the new one. 1 second. Alright guys, we got the new one set back in place here with the hose reinstalled down inside there. Got the screws started in place. Going through the back here and lined up with the gasket. Now we're just simply going to tighten them down here. So don't over tighten them because it is all plastic and that carburetor is made out of 10 mil and you will strip it out. Now we're going to install the air filter here. And then we're going to install the new door that holds the air filter on. And make sure it snaps in, because that's the problem. 9 out of 10 of these customers using it, they lose this door, then it does them no good at all. There you go, it's snapped in, secured into place, and now your flap opens and closes just like it should. If y'all found this video useful, smash that thumbs up button. If you're not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. You'll have a blessed day.